Hello, my dear students. Welcome in another video lecture of our biodiversity of coded paper. In this video lecture, we are going to discuss about the migration in birds. Let us see that what is migration first. Migration word is taken from or derived from the Latin terminology which is migrer, or the word migrer of Latin term. From that word it's taken the term migration, which means that moving or movement from one place to another place. According to L. Thompson in 1926, bird migration can be described as change in the habitat, periodically recurring or altering in the direction which tends to secure optimum environment or condition at all the time. So in short, he just suggested that the migration or a change of place can be done periodically. It can done by the intervals of certain time, and it can be done in the direction where they feel secure, and they feel that there is optimum temperature, or optimum in sense perfect temperature for their survival, or their survival conditions or chances are more there. So number of species, bird species migrate, uh, their migration is done. So there are near about 10,000, total 10,000 species are uh, present in the whole world, amongst which near about 4,000 species are migratory in nature, which is the 4% sorry 40%, total 40% of this whole population. Now let us see that why and where uh, the birds migrate and what is the effect of migration. So why, first of all, they migrate either for search of food, or for the optimum temperature, or for having this humidity, means the environmental conditions. So it could be have temperature, humidity, or light, or they just migrate for breeding purpose, etc. So these are the reasons why they migrate. Now what happens, or what drawbacks happens to the birds because of the migration? So there is number of drawbacks. So migration carries high cost of predation, which means that they could get captured by their predators, and mortality can happen, which means death can happen. And hunting by the reason of death can be hunting by humans and derived primarily from the availability of food, or they could die because of the scarcity also. Now why sorry where it occurs? So it can mainly occur from northern hemisphere to the uh, where birds are fluent or Pacific route natural barriers. So in short, the mostly uh, it happens from northern hemisphere to south, or eastern to western hemisphere. And the most or such natural barriers could be reason of their stopping, so it such as that Mediterranean seas and Caribbean seas, etc. Now let us proceed further to see the types of migration. So what are the types of migration? There are near about total 8 type of migration. Here you can observe. So first is longitudinal migration, then latitudinal migration, altitude migration, partial migration, total migration, vagrant or irregular migration, and daily migration is there, seasonal migration is there. I'm going to discuss it detail. So let us go through that. First of all, we will talk about the latitudinal migration. So this type of migration occurs from north region to the south region, which means that it occurs in the direction from now north pole to south pole, or it could be a vice versa, which means that it could be from south to north also. So such migration is called as latitudinal migration. First of all, this is the cuckoo. This bird name is cuckoo, which migrates from India to the southeast Africa, and it's a puffin bird which breeds on small islands, and it migrates to the greenlands. And penguins also migrate in longitudinal type of migration, which means that from north to south, south or south to north. Second type of migration is longitudinal migration, longitudinal or longitudinal, whatever you pronounce it as. So longitudinal migration is from east to west direction, or it could be a vice versa, from west to east, from east to west, or west direction to east direction. First of all, this is a starling. This bird name is starling bird. So this starling bird is a resident of Europe, Eastern Europe, and it migrates towards Western Asia. Sorry, it migrates to the Atlantic coast.
New text message received.
It migrates towards the Atlantic coast. And second bird is Californian gull. So this Californian gull is a resident of which Utah breed. It breeds in Utah and migrates towards the western wards of the Pacific coast in winter. So it basically migrates in winter season. Next is altitude migration. Altitude type of migration. This is the migration from high mountain. The birds which prefer to live on mountains, so they just migrate from the mountains to the low down valleys or low lands which are there. So they migrate during winters for their protection. And this is the golden plover. This golden plover migrates from the altitude or mountain to the plains. So it migrates from the Arctic tundra to the plains of Argentina. Now next type is partial type of migration. Means partial. Partial means some, or we can say a part of. So you will understand easily. The sum of the members, only few members of group or that species migrates from one place to another place. So here there are two examples. First is coot. This bird name is coot, COOT, coot bird, and this is spoon bill bird. The name of this bird is spoonbill. So these two birds migrate in partial migration type of pattern, which means that some of the members of the group migrates from one place to another place. Next type is total migration, which is completely a bit related to the partial migration. जैसे partial migration में some birds of group were migrating, but here all the total group or total members of group migrates combinedly. So flamingo is the bird, great flamingo is the bird which do such migration. Here I have the picture of Siberian cranes. So this is the most common well known migration, and these birds migrate from Siberia to India during winter season. So they visit India during winter season, and this is the Siberian crane. They shows total migration, which means that their complete group migrates towards India every winter. Now next type is vagrous type or irregular type of migration. Now what is mean by vagrous or irregular type of migration? So some of the birds which of these species or they just disperse होना मतलब फैल जाना at the short और नियर बाय एरियाज और लॉन्ग और डिस्टेंट एरियाज, यानी पास के इलाकों में फैल जाते हैं वो या फिर दूर दराज के इलाकों में फैल जाते हैं. सो सच टाइप ऑफ माइग्रेशन इज कॉल्ड एज वैग्रेंट और इरेगुलर माइग्रेशन. ये किया क्यों जाता है? सो इट इज़ डन फॉर बिकॉज ऑफ द स्केर्सिटी ऑफ फूड. सो दिस इज़ द स्पॉटेड ईगल which shows such type of vagrant or irregular migration, and this is the bee eater bird which also shows vagrant or irregular type of migration. Next type is daily migration. Daily migration can be seen in general sparrows, crows. Daily migration क्या होता है? Daily migration is hunting of food, or these birds go in the searching of food. So this migration is done from their nests, from their nests towards any nearby place where they have food material, or they could migrate because of the hazardous environmental conditions which are not preferable for them, so they migrate for a short time to just skip the temperature or the problem जो उनको हो रहा है because of the अनबियरेबल टेम्परेचर और लाइट की वजह से हो सकता है या ह्यूमिडिटी की वजह से हो सकता है. सो उस प्रॉब्लम को ओवरकम करने के लिए वो लोग डेली माइग्रेशन करते हैं फ्रॉम देयर नेस्ट टू एनी प्लेस. द नेक्स्ट टाइप इज़ सीजनल माइग्रेशन. अभी सीजनल माइग्रेशन दो टाइप का होगा, एक विंटर में किया जाने वाला और एक समर में किया जाने वाला. सो some birds do winter migration and some do summer migration. तो जो समर माइग्रेशन करेंगे उनको समर विजिटर बोला जाता है, समर विजिटर्स. एंड जो विंटर माइग्रेशन करेंगे उनको विंटर विजिटर्स बोला जाता है. ओके, हियर आई हैव टू पिक्चर्स. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, दिस इज़ अ स्विफ्ट बर्ड and this is a swallow. So these two birds, these are the summer visitors. So you might have understood that they migrate during summer season. So they migrate from the south to the north region in summer season. So that's why they are called as summer visitors. This is a swift and this is swallow. नेक्स्ट टाइप आई सेट के विंटर विजिटर्स होते हैं दूसरे टाइप के. सो ये है रेड विंग बर्ड और दिस इज़ अ ग्रे पैलवो प्लावर सॉरी ग्रे प्लावर. सो दिस इज़ द रेड विंग बर्ड एंड सो ये दोनों हैं विंटर विजिटर्स. सो दीज बोथ आर winter visitor, which means that they migrate from south to north in winter season. So this is how the types of migration ends up. Here the total migration point, the migration in bird point ends up. Hopefully you have understood. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.